What is going on? Welcome to Gregulous TV Daily. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's video is all about Samsung denying warranty repairs. What can you do? Like, what are your options? I got this idea because I saw this post on Reddit saying Samsung is denying my warranty claim on a Galaxy Z Fold 6. The power button stopped working, known issue. They are saying that there is LCD is damaged. I took pictures and videos and the screen is uncracked, undamaged. Working perfectly fine, and the CS customer service agent basically told me, and are there any channels I can go through to fight this? Social media, community manager, or am I just never touching Samsung ever again? And that is a great question to ask yourself because, what does that entail when we think about such things? Well, let's talk about it because I think ultimately one of the biggest things and best things you can do right off the bat is you called once, they denied your claim. Let's be honest, you probably need, especially with what I've heard from all of the other people in this world dealing with, have it be Samsung's customer service agents or anyone else's customer service agents, Verizon, AT&T, whoever it is. Sometimes it's just the ability to talk to the right person. Sometimes it's you have to call back multiple times. There's always that person at the company that is going to be like, you know what? You're right. Let's push this through and let's get it to the next level so that you can get this fixed and it's covered under warranty. And sometimes that's all it takes, which is saying a lot. It's easier said than done. Sometimes, again, you're going to have to call 10 times, 12 times, whatever it may be. You're going to have to call a bunch of times so that your voice is heard and your situation, even though you know it's correct, you didn't do anything wrong, and you can get this fixed for free or under warranty or for a much reduced rate than it should have been. And you have to keep that totally in mind. So number one, if you fail the first time, call back multiple times. The other part to that would be, think about what you're saying. Think about the way you're describing it. Be patient, be kind with the person on the other line. Sometimes patience and just being nice doesn't go a long way. So sometimes you do need to go the opposite way of that and put a little pressure on them. Be a little bit more aggressive. Obviously, don't be mean to anybody, but you know what? Put your foot down. So I would try being nice. If that's not working and you know that you're not lying and that this is something that's broken on the phone itself and you didn't do it and it should still be covered under warranty, then that's definitely something that you should go back to that company and again, put your foot down and try to get your issue rectified. Some other ways that you can go about this is you thought about different ways to say it. You went in there with a kind way, an aggressive way. You went in there calling a bunch of people and it's still not going out there. Honestly, I've had good success, and this has happened to me on a personal level where I've had companies that have owed me money because of videos I made they didn't pay, blasting it on social media and getting the people behind you, your crowd, your family, your friends, people that don't even know you, if it gets big enough, and putting that out there. Sometimes that will make a way and it'll get to a person, not even in customer service, but someone that's at that company and be like, you know what? He's right. We should have taken care of this. This isn't his fault. This isn't his problem. So going out on social media and tagging the correct people that work at that company, tagging the company itself, tagging whoever, and just getting your voice heard that way. Social media is a good thing and a bad thing, obviously, as you can see in the world. But sometimes it's good that you can get your voice heard in a proper way and have the people that you need to talk to or the people that are above those people to get your voice heard and get your situation fixed. Beyond that, it's a little bit difficult. If none of those voices are being heard and you've gone through, Samsung or whoever the company is to try to get this fixed, see how much it costs to get fixed. Maybe it's not that much. If it is, always look locally to see how much it is to have someone locally be fixed. Have it be like one of those big companies out there like Sherian or some other local company that fixes devices. It might be inexpensive and it might be a lot less hassle than going through all the other steps that I mentioned before. But those are your best bets at what to do. If you guys have other things that you do that have worked in the past, put it in the comments down below. Share that information, and you might end up helping somebody at the end of the day. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you guys down the road. Peace.